Hey everybody, welcome back to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie and this is my Farmhouse Wow 60-second DIY. What's it gonna be today? Well, I've got a couple of surprises. I'm gonna do 2 projects in 60 seconds. I hope I can. And then one little bonus at the end. So make sure you stay tuned and sit back and enjoy Farmhouse Wow 60-second DIY. All of my supplies today are from Dollar Tree. And so I'm using one of these 8x10 frames, some vinyl paper that's the buffalo check, and then don't ever forget to look at the Christmas cards that they have. They are so beautiful and I think getting better each year. So all I did was cut the size of the picture frame for the vinyl paper, and then I just laid that right on top and then kind of folded it in to make it nice and neat. This photo or this card is so beautiful. It is just really a well-made card and I just think it is worthy of framing. I just took off the little red bow and added my own twine bow, and I love it. It's done. Now, 27 seconds left. I went over into the kitchen area and they have these beautiful placemats. They have red ones and this gray one is gorgeous. What I did is cut it to another size of an 8x10, grabbed a galvanized little Christmas tree, and then I just added some buffalo check ribbon at the top, and then one of these jingle bells, the red one from Dollar Tree, and I just think it gave a great pop of color. Time's up! I made it! How cute is this? This would be so darling on a shelf or anywhere you like. Sometimes I make these to put in my bathroom up on a shelf. I love that. And so this Christmas card is an A+. And then the other one, I love that placemat. And I have a red one too. I may be using it. And I also love that Dollar Tree jingle bell to give it that pop of color. How easy was this to put together? And I love the silver frame that goes with it. All right, now here comes the bonus. These are some little hats from Dollar Tree. I love this color and the little pattern on it. All I'm doing is stuffing it really quickly. And I actually made one of these last year and I had it sitting up in my house and people were like, that is so cute. You just stuffed it. And then I added a buffalo check. Now this is the one I made last year and I added a satin bow to it. I just love how easy and festive that makes your house feel, and just adding a bow is perfect. So I hope you enjoyed all 3 of these 60-second DIYs. I got 2 in one and then the extra bonus. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I want to tell you to make sure and stay tuned for this Saturday. It's going to be a doozy. I have some exciting things to show you and I cannot wait for Saturday. So stay tuned for Soozie Stuff at KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.